Into the national observance of our festivals and religious holidays. One of those holidays is the Spiritual Baptist holiday. Of course, we've come a long way through Africa. During the passage of time, we discovered that a lot of the things that we do in the Spiritual Baptist faith and practice, even in our heritage, is really linked to a lot of the things that has been done, and more commonly so. So in order to ensure that there's authenticity, there's preservation, archiving, and data collection, this workshop is very important.
So we had the Ancient Chants and Adoption session, which was hosted by Sheena Richardson, better known as Ajibola Music TT. And what she would have done was give us an in-depth into the meaning of some of the chants, the proper pronunciation, as well as to the history and the background of adoption.
Adoption is vocalizations, right, done by an individual to allow you to connect to the spirit realm. So, for me, when I learned adoption, as a young spiritual Baptist, they always start you off on the letter E. So we started off with simple adoption. E. Everybody can say that? Nice. 1, 2, 3. Let me go. E. Right? We stay there, right? Very nice. Come out of Babylon, Babylon, oh, Babylon, come out of Babylon, Babylon, oh, Babylon.
Most of the times, especially in the performing arts, we sing these songs, but we don't really understand the meaning, or we may not pronounce them clearly. So there was a lot of corrections being done. It was a learning experience for all persons, especially if you're in the performing arts. We know that from time to time we need to use these songs. Even in our simple celebration of the Tobago Heritage Festival, from time to time you see where the Orisha faith slips in. So it was an opportunity for everybody to participate in it.
I decided to partake in the chant session last week because what Sheena did, she enlightened us on some of the original translations of some of the songs. She taught us where some of the songs may have derived from, and the meanings and such, and which Orisha the songs are designated to. So it was really an educational experience.
Bye.